of chapter number 3. I explained you the meaning of factors, I explained the meaning of multiples also, and even we have seen the facts related to the factors and multiples. Now today we are going to start with the exercise 3.1. So let's begin with the question number 1, students. The question number 1 is, write all the factors of the following numbers. Write all the factors of the following numbers. That means these are the numbers, and we have to write the factors. Factors I have already explained you. That means we have to write all the numbers by which this particular numbers are divisible, right? So let's begin here, right? So 24 is divisible by 1, 24 is divisible by 2, 24 is divisible by 3. Okay, 24 is also divisible by 4, 24 is also divisible by 6. Okay, 24 is also divisible by 8, 24 is divisible by 12, and 24 is divisible by itself also. Okay, here you can, I'm just showing you certain thing by which you can at least, make a idea that in which tables it is coming. See, 124 is a 24, so 24 table is there, right? 2 12s are 24, so 12 is also there. 3 8s are 24, so 8 is also there. 4 6 are 24, so 6 is also there. So here you can link up like this also, right? There is or you can even do like this also, students. See, you can do like this. That is 1 into 24 is 24. 2 12s are 24. 3 8s are 24. 4 6 are 24. And 6 4s are 24. The moment it gets reversed, see, the moment it gets reversed, right, that means you have to repeat from here each and every step. Okay, 4 6 are, then here 6 4s are, so you have to repeat like this. 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24, and 24 1s are 24. Okay, students, so this is also one of the way you can remember the factors also. So let's move on now to the second one, students. Okay, let's move on to the second question, that is 15. Okay, 15 is divisible by 1, then 3, then 5, and then 15. 1 15s are 3 5s are, right? Then comes 21. So 21 is divisible by 1, then 3, then 7, and then 21 itself. 1 21s are 3 7s are, right? 27 comes from the table of 1, 3, then it comes in the table of 9, 1 27s are 3 9s are, so 27 itself, right? Factor है तो last में itself ही आएगा, और initial always starts from the 1, as I already told in the previous lectures also. 12, it comes in the table, it is divisible by 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, then 12 itself. So 1 12s are, 2 6s are, and 3 4s are. 20, okay, 1, then 2, okay, 2, then 4, then 5, and 10, and then 20 itself. 1 20s are, see, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20. Okay, next one is 18. 18 is divisible by 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 18s, we can divide 18 by 1, we can divide 18 by 2 also, we can divide 18 by 3, then by 6, then by 9, and then by 18 itself. 1 18s are, 2 9s are, and 3 6s are. Next one is a 23. See, students, 23 is a prime number. So there are only two factors of 23, that are 1 and 23 itself. So 1 and 23 itself. Next one is 36. So 36 is divisible by 1, 2, 3. Okay, that means it is coming in 36 is coming in the table of 3. 36 also comes in the table of 4, students. 36 also comes in the table of 6. 36 comes in the table of 9 also. Then 12 also. It comes in the table of 18 also. 18 2s are 36. And 36 itself. Okay, 1 36 2 18s 3 12s 4 9s and 6 6s. Right? So here I end up with the question number 1, right? And hope you understood this question number 1. We have to write the only factors. That means ये जो particular number है वो किस किस की tables में आते हैं. That means वो किस किस से divide हो सकते हैं, right? Okay students, now let's see the second question, that is write first 5 multiples of, right? That means here we need to write the multiples, means here we need to write the table of the specific number, right? So let's begin here. First number is 5. So we have to write first 5. That means 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 threes are, 5 fours are, and 5 fives are, right? Whatever has been said, we have to follow it only, right? So first 5 multiples of 5 are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, and 5 fives are 25, right? Next one is students 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40. Next one is 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. See here, right? So I think that this question is now been clear to all of you, right? How to write the multiples of the given number. Okay students, now let's see the question number 3, that is match the following, right? So we are having column 1 and column 2, right? We have to match them. So let's begin now. Okay, first one is 35. We have to find the appropriate match of it. So is it the multiple of 8? No. Is it the multiple of 7? Yes. 35 is a multiple of 7 because 35 comes in the table of 7. So 35 is a multiple of 7. Then the remaining options doesn't suit it. So how to write? So here it is, I can write here as I, right? That means the Roman number 1, that means it is the match of this first one. Next one student, that is 15. So is 15 a multiple of 8? No. Multiple of 7? No. Multiple of 70? No. Factor of 30? Yes. We can say 30, कि अगर हम 30 के factors find करें, so we are having 50. 15 हो सकता है. 30 के अगर हम factors करें, 30 किन किन number से divisible है? So 15 is a number, right? Which divides 30. So I can write 15 as a factor of 30. So here I am writing second. Okay, 15 is not a factor of 50 and 15 is not a factor of 20 also. Okay, next one is 16. Okay, 16 is a multiple of 8? Yes, because 16 comes in the table of 8. 8 twos are 16. So 16 is a multiple of 8. So here I am writing third. Okay, next one is 20. Okay, 20 is a multiple of 70? No. Factor of 50? No. Factor of 20? Yes. 20 itself is a factor of itself, right? तो अगर हम 20 के factors find करें उसमें 20 आता है. So here I am writing 4. This is the match for the fourth one. Last one 25. So 25 any relation to 70? No. 25 is a factor of 50? Yes. 50 को divide करता है 25. So here I am writing the fifth one. So these are the appropriate matches students, right? Okay students, now let's see the last question of this exercise 3.1, that is find all the multiples of 9 up to 100, right? That means up to 100, whatever the multiples of 9 are there, we have to write it. So let's see the solution of it students. Okay, 9 ones are 9, then 9 twos are 18 students, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, then comes 9 nines are 81, so I am writing here 9 nines are 81, 9 tens are 90, right? 9 elevens are 99. So we have written all the multiples up to 100, right students? So here we end up with the exercise 3.1. I hope you understood the entire exercise.
आभार।